Hey, I'm Andy Thompson with Cedar Siding Repair. So there's a lot going on at this particular job. We are going to be doing a lot of carpentry work, and then it's a full color change too. So we're gonna restain this entire house in Sherwin-Williams Urban Bronze. It's a really nice color here. Let's walk over here and see what's going on with it. There's a lot of structure damage with this bay window, so we're actually going to be replacing the majority of the trim. We're going to have to do some reframing here. The rim joists are bad, the sill plates are bad, so there's going to be a lot of construction being done on this bay window in particular. So this deck is going to get a brand new semi-transparent stain, so we're going to clean this. This deck has already been cleaned here with the Cedar wash. This is going to be ready to be restained in about 2 days. This has got to dry thoroughly before it gets restained. So come on over here. This whole house is going to be restained. The garage doors are going to be painted. We're going to restain all the Cedar soffits and the Cedar fascia boards. We just did the brand new windows too, so this is really nice. Black windows, grids. This is a totally full house. We're going to be doing some fascia boards up top, and then they've got some crown molding and some header details that we're going to be doing too. Once all the carpentry work is done and the whole house is restained, we're going to be installing brand new 6-inch gutters just to finish it off, and they're going to go with copper penny from Mastic. So it's a really cool process. We're really fortunate to be a part of what they're doing here.